Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to handle the FRP verification process on Vortex devices Android 11 and 12. Let's get started. First, connect the device to a stable Wi-Fi network. The device is preparing the setup process. This might take a few minutes. Here, the device is showing factory reset protection. It requires the Google account previously signed with this phone. Now I am inserting Finlock SIM card to continue. Here we select the storage and scroll off it. Select setting and open. Accessibility. Now I am opening the accessibility menu. The accessibility icon will appear on the corner of the screen. Now select Google Play Services and disable it. And rest setup, forced off. Now restart your handset. Here the set offline. Now click the accessibility icon and enable the Google Play services. The verification is complete and the device can now continue with the normal Android setup. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn the notification for more useful videos. Finally, the phone has reached the home screen and is ready for normal use.